Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a French Social Security number. First, understand the eligibility criteria, which generally includes anyone working or residing in France for more than 3 months. Next, begin gathering all necessary documents, such as your passport and birth certificate, to ensure a smooth application process. This preparation is key to avoiding delays. To apply, you will need several key documents. A valid passport or national identity card is essential for identification. You must also provide proof of your residence in France, like a recent utility bill or rental agreement. Additionally, a birth certificate, accompanied by an official French translation, is a mandatory requirement for your application. Once your documents are ready, you'll typically submit your application to the local CPAM office, which is the Primary Health Insurance Fund. Sometimes, you might need to register with a specific health insurance fund first, depending on your employment status. Expect the processing time for your Social Security number to be several weeks, so patience is important. Initially, you will receive a temporary Social Security number, which allows you to access healthcare services. Your permanent number and the physical carte vitale, your health insurance card, will arrive after your application is fully processed and confirmed. This card is essential for all your medical needs in France. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.